Hey guys, welcome back to the channel with a new video. Today, we're installing the super kilometer filter on a Toyota Camry. As always, the blocker gets installed behind the speedometer panel, connected to the main system plug. To get there, we'll need to remove some dashboard components around the speedometer. You've probably noticed that, for certain reasons, we're doing the installation on a Lexus. But trust me, the installation process and how the device works are exactly the same. Once we've taken off the surrounding trim, you'll see 4 screws holding the speedometer in place. Remove those screws and gently pull out the speedometer to access the main plug. Now grab your odometer blocker and connect it exactly as shown in the video. That's it. Put everything back in place, and we're ready to move on to activation and modes. You can activate the device either through the mobile app or pull the high beam lever 4 times. Do the same process to deactivate it. There are 2 working modes. Mode 1, the blocker is active and odometer recording is completely stopped, 100%. Mode 2. The blocker is deactivated and everything works normal. Quick reminder for anyone interested in purchasing: kilometer filters are not permitted on public roads. If the vehicle is resold, the odometer reading must be reset to its original status. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.